Hey, what's happening, everybody? It's Chad Henry for you here again at Holiday Motors in Portsmouth, Virginia. And right now I want to show you this 2014 F150 FX4 that just came in. We literally saw this vehicle as we pulled up this morning. It was delivered overnight and it didn't even need to be washed. This thing was extremely well taken care of. 2014 one owner truck, CARFAX certified. Looks to be all original paint. The paint and the body are in excellent shape. It does have the leveling kit on the front, which brings it up and allows to fit these 33, 12, 50, 20s on it, and these tires are in pretty good shape. This is the 3.5 liter EcoBoost. Tons of power, tons of torque. That's my favorite engine in these trucks. But looks great. Of course, the white with the black wheels and the tinted out windows. Yeah, nice little stormtrooper look, if you will. It does have the backup proximity sensors, of course the tow package. It does have the backup camera. There is no bed liner in this truck, but the bed is in pretty good shape. The tailgate, of course, has the built-in step, and then this lever comes up, which allows for much easier entry and exit out of the bed there. But a great looking truck. We ran it up the street real quick. The truck runs and drives perfectly. We're about to take it down and have the Virginia State inspection done on it. Interior is in excellent shape. Very nicely optioned out too. We do have the power folding exterior mirrors. There we go. The driver's seat in excellent shape with little to no wear at all on the outside edges. Very clean headliner. Just the whole truck very, very nicely kept. Great condition. It does have the adjustable pedals. As you can see, they've removed the vent to add the boost gauge. The vent is in the glove box, so if you wanted to take that out, you could put it back together stock. But a 2014 with 79,649 miles on it. Nice American flag backdrop on the screen here. We do have navigation, heated and cooled seats. The Fords have a nice Bluetooth system set up with them. This, of course, is four-wheel drive, electric trailer brake. This switch here is for, I have no idea what that's for, so we're gonna have to look into that. Little tray, you got your RCA's and USB inputs. This does come with two keys that do have the remote start on them. Here's the other vent that I was talking about, owner's manual. And of course the back seat, the Super Cruise, are super big, plenty of room, plenty of leg space. And then of course these seats fold up, and you have the factory subwoofer under the other seat over there, but that allows for tons of cargo space right here. But it's available. If you see it listed on our website, it is still here unless it was sold within a previous couple of hours. We are pretty quick about removing them if they are gone. You can find it here at 3203 Victory Boulevard in Portsmouth, Virginia. Been right here since 1974. Online at holidaymotors.com. And you can call or text us directly, 757-487-7333. Tons of great financing options, warranty included, and always top dollar for your trades. Let me get in here and show you that this is a clean, rust-free truck. Almost forgot to include that. Something we don't want to forget, also the cab corners and the rocker panels. This is a solid truck. It's all here. But give us a call, text, check us out today, see how we can earn your business. We appreciate you watching as always and look forward to hearing from you.